Look, I know I missed the day. I know I missed the day. But just hear me out. Just hear me out. Yes, I'm using my streamer platform layout. Don't mind that. Don't mind that. But definitely, I've been on the road. I fell off last week because I got too busy. You know, those that want to know and follow me in my journey, I'm planning on getting tattoos and getting ready to go to mainland. So if you know, you know now. Definitely. But today, I'm hey man, I don't know. I think this is hard to tell y'all. I'm gonna take this shit serious. All right. What is up, M.B.K crew? We're back with another video, and today we're gonna be playing Chivalry 2. Now, I've never played Chivalry 1, so I don't know any difference. I recently tried to record this before, but audio issues. It didn't record my audio, and I was actually pretty like, what the f? Like what happened to my footage? So I'm gonna try to do it today if it doesn't lag. But yes, I will be attempting to try to do it one more time. Can we do that? All right. That's what I'm talking about. I knew y'all had it in y'all. At the end of the day, it's part of the M.B.K crew. And then without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Hell yeah. I'm going to go ahead and be playing Chivalry. Try to get this knocked out real quick. I don't know why I did that, but yeah, I don't know what's wrong with this game. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's working perfectly fine whenever I'm not streaming, but when the minute I turn on that camera, it raps. Hold on. Not wavy right now. Yeah, don't even worry about that. Make sure the light is going. Make sure the game is rolling. Everything just need to roll smooth. And I don't know what the hell's been going on with this game, but I think it's that load up. I'm not sure, but it was working perfectly fine, so I didn't think it would be any worse than what it's been doing. But it seems to be working fine now. So I'm gonna assume that the audio and everything else within the whole game itself is working perfectly fine. I am gonna give it a test run to make sure that everything is working perfectly fine as well. But as of now, I'm gonna assume that it's working perfectly fine. So
Nope.
oh, bro, no, it's always them. It's always them, and then you'll die, and you don't come back as a it's not like a homeless guy. I don't know, like a farmer. You don't come back as a farmer. You come back as one of the warriors. That's fighting. Now, I typically like the archer, so what I'm gonna do now is try to switch over to the archer class. Oh, it's full actually. I actually found the Vanguard platform actually really good actually. Now I'm not exactly sure if oh I don't know how they're attacking me pretty fast. I ain't gonna lie to you. I think it's the weapon that I have, low key, but I mean, I can switch it up real quick because I think I like this class as well, and it actually was pretty good. I mean, I didn't think it was bad. because it has a shield as well. So who wouldn't want a shield? Switch. Yeah. Also, I'm going to throw this. I don't get it. I don't get it. I'm trying to hit him, and he's bullshitting. On my, like I'm making blocks, however, but it's like I'm not really doing anything. But whenever I switch to this class that I'm going to right now, that I kind of like, besides the archer, I like the archer too, because the archer is pretty cool. You just gotta actually know how to hit your shots. You might line everything properly, but you still missing if you're missing.
The village is lost. Fall back to the gate. Hold the gates. Nathan Ford must not gain access to the city.
If the archer's not that full, I'm definitely gonna enjoy this. Okay, I think I ran out of stamina. I was really locked in. My apologies, y'all. But yeah, I really don't know what I should have done there, cause let me see. Okay, that takes stamina as well for a upper swing. What else can I do here? Okay, I can do kicks. I could do bash. Yeah. All right. Can I like his spear though. I ain't gonna lie to you. Spear seems so powerful in ways. Okay, I knew I was gonna get clobbered. I ain't gonna lie. I knew I was gonna get clobbered there because I literally abandoned what I already had, which was pretty good. I was like, I can pretty much do a lot of things there. Let me see. Bash. Yeah, I gotta make sure I'm able to do. I'm doing that as well. What the fuck is you doing?
Nope.
She must be a fighter. They must be fighters. I actually do not know what the banner does, but if I'm not mistaken. Damn! That was mean. Twin, What the freak? I could do that. I gotta remember my controls here. I just threw my goddamn shield. What a bailout there. Let me see. I can get the arch. Yeah. With the armor, that's a double clutch right there.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Oh my god, thank you. You saved my life there. Banner. Oh, right here. Boom, easy there.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Okay, so your boy was actually doing something. Hold on. I was doing something. God damn it. I don't know what it was, but I was figuring it out. Now this is, but if I tap it, okay, that's kick. Boom, okay. That's not bad. Okay. I hate when I get lost up in between because what they do is they just circle. They circle up on you.
K crew, if you've made it to the end of this video, that means that you've made it to the end. That means you need to like the video. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that way you don't miss out when I'm posting. For sure, definitely make sure that you do that, and let me know in the comments if you really mess with the video. Other than that, I'll catch you boys in the next one.
O mano te convocou, talvez cê tá com o popô. O mano te convocou, talvez cê tá com o popô. É vapo no setor, é vapo do vapor. Vapo no setor, é vapo